That is looking pretty nice. So the engine is not in its final place. I have bolted it only on the one side. I've got to move it forward and over. But in the meantime, it has oil in it, put a little bit of gas in it. I do not have the chain attached, as I've got to move the engine over to line up the sprockets. The engine has to move too far forward for the default slots. So I'm thinking I've got to position the engine, mark, I don't know. I have to plan a little bit more. But throttle not really bolted up, but I should be able to get it started. That kill switch is attached. I'm going to pull start it. Let's see if she goes. Fuel is on. Choke is on. Spark is on. Starts up easy enough, but I think that seems to be a bit much in the way of smoke. Throttle works. The idle's nice and low. Torque converter seemed to do its thingy. And that's going to be all for today. I've got to figure out the engine mounting. Probably buy a few more bolts. Really quick update. Runs a lot better when you remember to turn the choke off. Much better. Motor mode's coming out, so done playing until I can get that figured out.